We first approached Massey in late 2013 for the purpose of designing our Guernsey for one of the most significant games of the year, Anzac Day in Wellington. A Guernsey for an AFL player is such a significant identity piece. It shows they're part of a team, and that team unity is something that's critically important to a player, and an AFL player wears their Guernsey with a lot of pride. So the relationship in connecting with the city of Wellington for at least the next 5 years, we wanted to continue to ingrain ourselves in the cultural aspects of New Zealand, and we thought what better way than to get some local artists at Open Lab to design the Guernsey.
Really, they didn't want just another design. They wanted to dive into our culture, didn't they? They wanted to relate to New Zealanders. They didn't just want it to be like the next thing.
We broke down the original Guernsey into like the graphic elements and also the story behind each element. Yeah, it was kind of like bringing these traditional motifs into a contemporary setting without it looking like cheesy or cliched. So there wasn't anything that just had like a koru slapped on it.
We wanted everything to make sense. So when we do look at the waka's carvings and we do look at tāmoko, we consider what does it mean in a traditional sense? Why does placing
it placed in a
certain areas? And why does that relate to the Anzacs uniform? Why do we put chevrons on the side? What does that mean?
In the Anzac Day match, they always sing the national anthem at the beginning, because I went to this year's Anzac Day match. Someone came up and sang the New Zealand anthem, but then also they sang the Australian anthem, and the players are all standing together still, and you can see all the front of their Guernsey.
We related our imagery and our concept, our narrative, to the player. We merged them. We thought of the player as the waka. We thought when they are still and when we admire them, it's just like when we admire the intricate carvings on the wakatoa and all the whakapapa and genealogy, all those things are tied into that player.
It's such an honour to be playing, at Westpac Stadium in round 6 on Anzac Day, and it's just, it's a really strong and inspiring Guernsey for us boys, and we're gonna wear it with a lot of pride.
So the process of dealing with Massey University was terrific. Right from the delivery of the brief with Anna and Jenna and bringing in the team from Open Lab, we just felt the whole way we were kept informed of what was going on, and the delivery of the Guernsey was something that we were really excited about.
I think what's most exciting about a project like this is that you're seeing the potential. It's like stepping stone. Everyone's around, everyone's there to support. When we have our meetings, Jenna's there to kick us off. So it's like preparing you for the real thing, for the real deal. At the end of the day, we're doing what we want to do, and we're gonna get to experience it anyway.
It's so exciting.
We're gonna get to see the game. We're gonna see the players. We're gonna meet the people we've been talking to on Skype.
Yeah. And I tell you what, it's better than making bloody coffees. Yeah. We had so much job.
Yeah.